Hey all, welcome back. Today I am doing a tutorial and a review on the new Huda Beauty Gem Obsession palettes. I'm going to be doing mine on the Emerald Obsession. I'll be showing you this eye look, and I will be showing you some swatches and giving you my review on the eyeshadows. So keep watching. Hello my fellow makeup lovers, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a tutorial and a review on the new Huda Beauty. I believe it's called like the Gem Obsession palettes, but this one is the Emerald Obsession palette. She has 5 altogether. There's a red one, an orange one, a purple one, a green one, and a blue one. And I almost picked up the blue one, and I might go back and pick that one up there. I'm going to insert some swatches of the shadows that are in here. Let me open this up and actually show it to you first. And these are the shadows that are in here. And let me insert the swatches that I did earlier of the shadows. So hold on a second. Those are the swatches. So you can go online and you can find probably a few people starting to review this and see some tutorials or see some reviews on this besides my own. For me, I like this palette. This green one here specifically, you need to build it up quite a bit, which is good and bad. Meaning you can put it up to the level that you want, but if you're a person who likes to just put some shadow down, it's going to take some work to build this one up here. Same thing with this one here. This one here looks brown, but it actually is more of a army green. And then you see there's some golds and some bluish green ones and that in the palette there. The only thing that I found for myself about these shadows is some of the mattes kind of seems drying on the eyes. Like they're a little drier than some of the mattes that I've used in the past for even Huda. You know, I have her Desert palette, and these ones just seem drier. Like on the eyelid, they just don't seem as smooth as some of the other ones did. I actually did a tutorial yesterday, and I used the greens, and after it was done and I was looking over it before I was going to put it online, I didn't like it. I didn't like how it looked on my eyes, and I didn't want to put that out and make you guys think that that's what it's going to probably look like on you. I'm a little older. My eyelids are different from a 20-year-old, so they may look different on yours. If you're around my age, they may look a little drying on your eyes. So that's just the only thing that I noticed. I noticed that this is a little bit to build up, and this is also looks a little drying on my eyes. So other than that, this is $27. You get 9 shadows. I don't think that's too bad. That's $3 a pop. That's not bad for eyeshadows. So if you like the colors that are in it, I don't think you're gonna do wrong. Like I said, it might take some build up. Some of the shadows might not be your jam, might not look as good as you want on your eye. I think you're gonna have to take it for what that is and decide what you wanna do. So today, my tutorial is going to be something quick and simple and easy. A lot of the time, we're going out and we want something easy to do because we have a boyfriend, a girlfriend, whatever, yelling at us from downstairs, hurry up, you're taking too long, you know, could you just put some makeup on and be done? And we're standing there for 20 minutes looking at our 40 eyeshadow palettes trying to figure out which one to put on. So if you pulled this one out and you're trying to decide a nice look for it, I'm going to give you an idea. So, and I promise you this is going to be quite simple. Most of it we're going to use our fingers to apply with. we're gonna start with this. I wanna make sure you can see it. This gold one right here. So get out your pointing finger and get some on your finger there. Grab your little mirror and start putting it on. I'm gonna start on my inner part of my eye here. And this look will take less than, hopefully, 5 minutes to put on, because you won't be doing an eye tutorial as you're doing it, so you're not going to be distracted with the camera, hoping that you stay in focus and all that. Just getting some more on my finger. It's coming from the outside in. We're gonna coat our whole eyelid. Now, if you wanted to, which I didn't do, but if you wanted to, you could put some glitter glue down on this so it stays off of your upper lid if you have hooded eyes, which I should have probably done, but I did not, because I am gonna wear this look all day long, and it probably will get to the top of my eye. And so we're just getting that all on our eyelid. I'm gonna put a little bit more down. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Get you out the door right quick. Your boyfriend or your girlfriend or whoever will be so impressed. You will look so beautiful, and it won't have taken you all day to do an eye look. No cut crease, no halo look, just a beautiful eye look. Okay, there's that. You could actually put some black liner on, go out the door, but we're gonna add a little bit more to this step. So get out your brush. I'm going to use my Morphe 505 brush right at the moment. I'm probably use a couple brushes here. You don't have to, just use one brush. That'll probably be good. I am going to go into the army green right here. I'm gonna dab some on my brush. It is a little fallout. You get a little fallout. You probably can't see that, but there's a little fallout on there. But that happens to the best of them. That's not a big deal for me. And we're gonna start in our outer corner here, and we're gonna dab it on. Just dabbing. And then while I'm dabbing, I'm getting into the outer crease here. Just want to make sure you guys can see that. Now I'm going to go back to my mirror here. So that's what we're getting so far. Getting a little bit more. Just slowly build this up. Do not get a big hunk of it on your brush. And so far, no fallout on my face, although it does not matter because I don't put my foundation on yet, but I swear I'm trying to find a spot where it does not keep blinking in and out the camera, but it does. Whatever I do, it still just does it. How is the weather at where you guys are at? If you're watching this from, I'm in Michigan, and it keeps messing around with us. One day it'll be cold, ready for fall. Next day, it'll be summer again. I'm going with my 506 brush, just a little smaller one here, because I want to get up in here just a little bit and blend. So just getting some more of that army green there. And I'm going to get up here just a little bit more. And just kind of come in about halfway. I'm going to clean my brush off a little bit. And then I'm going to just blend here a little bit. Told you guys this was going to be simple. Sorry, I'm just making sure I'm staying in frame. You get burned one time and go out of frame, and you worry about it every other time that you're doing a tutorial or filming. Mostly a tutorial, because if I'm just filming, I'm looking at the camera and I know where I'm at. But if not, then I don't know. And that, guys, is it. I am going to go off camera. I'm going to do my face. I'm going to do the other eye. And then I'm going to show you how I do the bottom part. And I'll tell you different ways that you could do the bottom part. So give me a few minutes. Well, for me, it's going to be about 20 or 30 minutes. For you, it's going to be like 3 seconds. And I'll be back again. So give me 3 seconds in YouTube time, 20 or 30 minutes in my time, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and the look is complete. As you can see, I decided to use the green underneath my eyes, which is this green right here, because I wanted to add a little bit of color to it. You also could have gone with the olive green. You could have carried that from the corner to all the way under your eyes if you wanted that. If you would have done that way, you could have gone with a black liner. I think that would have smoked it out and been more of a party look for you. I'm wearing this during the daytime, so I didn't really need to do that. What you could have also added is a black liner, did a little bit of a wing. That would have been really cute. I decided not to do that right now. Again, it's during the day. I'm filming during the daytime, and I really don't need to wing out my eye at this moment. I also put some of the gold, and I put that under my eye, and I carried it a little bit underneath. And I used some green NYX eyeliner underneath my eye. And as always, everything else that I use will be in the description bar. I hope you enjoyed this look. Like I said, I did enjoy this palette. Again, the only thing that I noticed about this is that I noticed a few of the mattes were a little drying on the eyes. For me, again, that just might be for me. For you, they might look just fine. But I just wanted to give you that information if that was something that you would like to know. Other than that, I think this is a pretty good value. I might actually go back and get the blue one. If I do that, I will do another tutorial using that. See if there's any difference in the formula from the green to the blue. Again, I hope you enjoyed this look. Please subscribe to my channel. If I can get to 50 by Christmas, I plan on doing a giveaway. I don't know what yet, but there's a lot of gift sets going out right now for the Christmas time. So I will grab one of those, and if I can get to 50 subscribers by, let's say, December 15th, I'll do a giveaway and get that sent out to somebody so they have an extra Christmas present this year. So if you're watching this, subscribe. You don't always have to keep watching if you don't want, but if you see my number count getting a little bit higher, keep watching. You might actually win a gift here. So again, I hope you like this, and keep watching for more tutorials and more reviews, and I hope you have a good week. Hope you have a good weekend, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.